Welcome to the build. We're about an hour and a half in to an 8-hour build, maybe 10 hours build.
Yeah, we should have paid for them to build this.
Okay, we are live.
Paid for.
Welcome everybody. Today we're building. When I say we're building, I mean Jesus and Ben. We're assembling the MK3S from Prusa kit. I think at this point we're an hour and 30 minutes in. We're gonna go as long as we can today, but we're probably not gonna finish. We'll continue another day. But we also got the Photon Mono X that is next in line. Really excited for this SLA printer. Maybe we'll do this in the next video. So yeah, hang out with us. We'll see how far we get. And maybe if anybody who's joining us got any question, can feel free to ask, and we'll see if we can get to you. So let me mount the camera real quick.
Oh, that's a neat idea.
And then we'll let this roll. So probably no one's gonna join us. So let me see if we can message our family members to come in and donate.
The pity donate.
Please donate. We're poor engineers.
If
Not even engineers.
if your parents and grandma don't know how to donate, we can give tech support. Press that button, the $sign button.
Is there like a donation in YouTube?
yeah, there's a $sign button.
Hold it to the right carriage, which is this thing, right?
This is the Y carriage. This goes all the way across.
So this is the holder, but the holder attaches to. Looks like it attaches to the center here.
So we can raise this up a little.
Spaces. Like that.
Kind of bolts in there.
Using M310
Tens.
screws fit the white belt.
Got it right here.
No screws.
Okay.
No, I think they go up.
Oh, there we go.
Like that one.
There you go.
I think it's just one screw. So that's one screw. Looks like it's rounded. That makes sense. This is taking apart. I don't know how you're gonna screw this with that stupid ass belt in the way.
Let me rearrange this a little bit here.
Should get that pizza, huh? Pizza was pretty good.
Like, we're totally not ready for live stream.
Does it work?
Try to angle it down here.
So it's
I
supposed
think
to
that's pretty good.
Why don't you use the big one?
I wanted to try this one.
Oh.
Alright.
Instructions are not as.
Alright, we're good. Let's see if anybody is here.
Oh, I think I did this one.
What?
I think I was only supposed to do like a little piece of it, not like a whole piece.
Really?
Yeah. Look. See that?
Yeah.
Just a little piece.
There's
It
one
doesn't show the end though.
viewer.
Yeah, that's why I figured it was all the way across. But then when I look at it, all of these
It's
other
likely
ones is just
us.
one long
Yeah.
strip. So unscrew it.
There's no small piece though, unless you cut it. Right?
No, I think it just wants me to pinch a small piece.
Oh, pinch a small piece, not the middle.
Yeah. Instead of.
How'd it go?
I think it just wants me to pinch a small piece.
Oh.
Test. So I hope the audio is working. This is our first time streaming.
Okay.
It looks like it's working. So hopefully people can hear us.
Pretty sturdy.
Maybe even small.
No, that's fine. I think because the belt goes into here, right?
Yeah.
And this just is like the attachment to this plate right here, so that the plate moves with the belt. That's all it is. It's like a grip. We haven't even got to the electronic parts yet. You have to solder too. I wonder if there's any like software stuff we can do. Silky.
You can actually watch yourself
What?
live on another computer.
Oh really? Try it.
One viewer, I believe that's us.
Are you
sure?
watching?
Next step is, I think, it screws in like that.
Test. Okay, that was really bad feedback. We were testing the playback. Sorry about that. You might want to skip a little bit.
That's the right way, right?
If this is really bad, we'll just not upload it.
Maybe we gotta.
I don't know if it's that way or if it's the other way. Let's see. Let me make sure. Oh shit.
Okay. We're sponsored by this
No.
tea place.
No, we're not sponsored. We're not sponsored, but I can't do work without milk tea. And two of these are mine. Just wanna make sure. Goodness, it's huge. They're getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah, right. I think
Alright.
mostly ice, man.
Make sure I have this in the right direction.
I got a
What'd you get?
what is it? Chocolate? No, not chocolate, but sugar.
Well, they all have
Brown
sugar.
Brown tiger.
I don't know.
What did you order? I think this is mine.
I got like a passion fruit something.
Okay, that's not. Here's passion fruit, right? This one's right. It says tiger.
These are pretty big.
Dude, these are like
I didn't get the,
7-Eleven
you
style.
got the tiger one. I think
Yeah.
mine's that.
This one?
Colorful one.
This one?
Yeah.
This is neat.
You sure?
Yeah, because I got the lychee.
Okay.
Does
All
it
right.
tell you the name? Yeah, passion.
Yeah.
There you go.
What's the next step?
Hold on.
Oh, you're still poking?
Yeah, well, I was trying to make sure I got this in the right direction, so I'm getting it into the orientation that it's in. And looks like this one.
The pictures are not big enough, dude.
We need to open up the one on the computer to get a better indication.
So you feed the belt to left to right.
Yeah, so it's this way.
Left to right.
That's good. And,
this.
Look how big this is.
It's like a Slurpee.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, this is neat. They put this on so the lid doesn't come off. It's a fun idea. What'd you get?
Lychee.
Lychee? Yeah, I think it's too sweet for me. But this might be even more sweeter.
All right, we're done.
I wish.
I'll pick up where you left off.
We are like. This is only the first part of the platform build.
We're like maybe 20% through.
Where does that go?
So we haven't run it through like that. Okay.
Yeah, that's it, right?
I haven't done anything with that yet though.
I think it's supposed to.
Tension. Bigger the two printer. Insert the M3 knot.
This is the other part.
Yeah, this is the other part. You already did the nut thing.
Yep.
Now it's doing the same thing, pinching it on this end.
Oh, so you can put it together, right? For one, like this.
It's gonna be hard.
Oh, before you do that though, you have to put in that bolt. Cause look, this needs to be secured onto this.
Where's our parts for the Nerf?
No, this is first.
At the bottom of my table.
No, this is first.
Is that first?
Okay.
They want you to do this first.
That's a bitch.
There's also a screw.
And check out our printer parts we've been working on. These are for Nerf guns.
So hard.
We'll follow up with a build video for this in the future, but pretty much all of our printers are busy printing Nerf parts.
This is the top, right? So that's the bottom. So
Clear
it's like this,
filament.
and the bolt goes into here, and you can adjust it. Like that, right?
Really,
Yeah.
really good.
So you have to clamp it in from here, like this way.
Just making sure that we're not having to do something. So I need to pinch this together again. Hey, you want to do this one? I did the last one. It's hard. It's a little pain in the butt. So you have to pinch this around your screw, and then slide
put
it
it in here?
Yeah, slide it in.
And then you have to put it like this, like that.
Yeah. And then so you do need some force to make it bend. So
Like
I
that,
guess
right?
it's easier to.
Oh, I see what it is.
I need to whip you guys to make this faster. See, the idea is if we have, it takes about 8 hours for one person. So we're hoping we cut down in half if there's 2 people, and in third if there's 3 people. I'm thinking the third person might be more useful doing the whipping. Hurry up!
And the other 2 people will just rebel later. It costs more time.
My boss bought the assembled kit, and I'm like, hey, you're not a maker. But now to think about it, I'm like,
Probably a good idea.
should have bought it
Save all that
assembled.
time.
If I can sneak into the office and then switch the kit with his built kit.
You don't know, right? Definitely not. I don't know how you got it to align. So I can't. Oh, I got it.
Got it? Not too tight.
Not too tight, right?
Just want to make sure that it's threaded, gripped, and not putting too much pressure on the belt because it'll deform. And we may have to adjust it if the tension's not strong enough.
How did you do yours? Let's see. Is that good? No.
So once you do that, it just has to reach. So
has to be tensioned, right?
Yeah, but because it's already screwed in, so this. I guess that's why they give you that room.
Yeah.
So that you can, as long as you have the,
Yeah,
as long as
enough-
you can screw
enough
it in.
space to adjust.
Yeah, see if you can screw it in. It's hard with the belt and with the beltway, so you may want to use the Allen.
But this is good, right? Because this thing is not all the way down.
Should be okay. I mean, we can adjust it a little bit later, but you just want to be able to make sure that you can screw it
Yeah.
and you still have that tension.
That's fine. Okay. Where's the bolt?
Screw.
And this is like really delicate work here. Delicate work. Gosh. What am I doing here? But you know what? I messed up. Wait,
How do you miss it?
It's supposed to be like this, right?
Is there a part that I can work on separately, or
This is like-
I'm
I'm
just
just
think
going.
both on here?
Yeah,
Page
right
by
now I'm
page?
just going by page, so. I mean,
Here, I got
what's
it.
this? Oh, we start working on it.
Oh.
We're on page 33 of 131.
31.
So there's still a while to go. You got it?
It's actually pretty tight. I don't know if it's a good idea to tighten it, but it's not threaded flat, you know? Like, do I have to push it? And then I can, okay, I'll hold it and you
No, I think. Oh, you mean? I think
you
that
have to
might,
push it. You have to push it like this.
it might be too tight. I mean,
So I can thread it right here. Right? It's like impossible to make it work. Yeah, I just don't want to break the thread, you know. To a point where
I mean, we can loosen up the medium. Maybe I should keep going.
it's still,
Wow, they included all these tools.
yeah,
It's pretty awesome. They include a nose plier and a screwdriver. I really
Use
love
the use the Allen wrench.
No. Allen's won't even work.
Because
It's at a
they
point
usually
where-
include a gummy bear pack. I think the gummy bear is for like that person who's doing the whipping. He gets tired, so he eats some gummy bear.
Yeah.
Hold it. Let me hold it.
So when this is done, and it doesn't work,
Who do you blame?
who do you blame? Do you blame
I blame
the
the company.
whipper? Do you blame?
You blame the person for
Yeah,
whipping
let's
somebody.
go one by one here. Do you blame the designer? Do you blame the person who make the manual? Do you blame the person who assembled it, or do you?
It's a combination of people, dude. I gotta say.
I say it's always gonna be the person whooping.
I mean, I'm
Can't
not,
concentrate.
you mean I'm not whooping you guys enough? I would help, but I'm just getting in the way, so there's not enough room here.
Oh yeah, that, or I think
When you tighten this,
I
was
think
it
when you
really
add more
hard?
than one person, huh?
When you tighten this, was it really hard?
Not the first one because there's no tension. Right.
I feel like there shouldn't be any tension on this.
They do say in the manual that
Is the second one supposed to be this hard?
it says some force should be needed for bending the belt once it's attached.
Let's see if this is right though. Yeah, see this?
We do
right here?
recommend the
It's angled.
iFixes kit. It's so versatile and it's much easier to
Right?
work with.
Give me a second. I'm gonna have to put this back on.
This screw, it's not threaded right. Look, it's angled.
Here, untangle. It's probably angled because of the. Probably because when you first started
Yeah,
doing it, you started doing it at an angle, so it's probably gonna
It's gonna be
continue as an angle. But
it's gonna be hard to unless you thread the other side.
here, see, straight.
Yeah, you just gotta go in this right.
My
You wanna
hair-
thread it all the
my
way?
hair gets in the way.
Can you thread it all the way? Because you gotta thread it like almost
Well, it's pretty tight.
2
though.
centimeters down. You gotta keep going. All the way down.
It's already through.
Is it?
It's pretty much there. See?
Yeah, because
Here.
look over here.
I know. And it can go farther
Okay, it's good, right?
because you.
Okay.
I think you're supposed to use the nut, right?
Yeah. No, you don't have to use the nut on this side. There's no nuts for this one.
So there, you got it threaded.
Okay, now put this back in. I will put it right here, and you can try to put it.
Welcome, Renegade Biker 24. Just subscribed it. Thank you.
Awesome.
If you're in the chat, hang out with us.
If you got nothing to do, buy one of these and work on it, because
No, buy it assembled. Buy it assembled.
it'll kill a lot of your
you
time.
sound exactly like
and,
my boss, man.
and
I
frustration.
try to tell him to buy the kit so he can
Yeah.
build himself a fun.
It's
No,
really
no.
a balance between if you want to have fun building it or do you want to use it already.
I think
You calling this fun?
no.
I said people have fun building it.
Yeah, from the people who build it, they
Yeah.
say that they understand the machine more when they assemble.
Maybe.
And especially when it's broken, they can fix it.
Right.
That's
Because
true.
they know all the parts.
Yeah. So I think it's fun. It looks fun. I mean, it looks fun watching other people building it.
Yes. When you watch a video of someone building it, you're like, oh, it's easy. And then when you do it, it's a pain.
Tell to the person who built like thousands of these.
I
Okay.
They probably got paid.
I mean, it's well
Pretty
designed
low.
with the 3D prints and stuff, but at the same time, no, I don't think it's a pain.
I'm surprised there's only one bolt that's holding this on right here.
Well, it's the one bolt, but then you have the bolt coming across. Which
Oh,
is,
right. There is a bolt coming across.
Which
right?
is this guy.
Oh, yeah.
Comes across this way.
Should we put that in? It's a good idea to put the.
through there. And this is what keeps it like flush, but
I feel like once you put the bolt
it
going,
should straighten it out. But
yeah, horizontally, it'll straighten it out, and then you can. But the problem is, you can't tighten the bottom bolt, right? You can't tighten this one that goes in.
Huh?
You can't tighten the bottom bolt.
Yeah, you can. Just push it all the way through.
Okay.
And then once it lines up with that,
You can't even see it.
well, yeah, I can't see it. This is why,
Put it this way.
yeah, rotate it. And then I'm going to just go all the way down. And then I can line it up.
Let me change the thumbnail.
It's like,
Thumbnail looks
surgery here.
all messed up.
Let me make sure I got it right where it's supposed to be.
As long as it's threaded across, it should be okay.
Oh, sorry.
I was gonna say this is a speed build, but this is definitely not speed.
I don't think I can get it in anymore.
Oh no, that's what I was saying. Like, you can't even turn it, right? Can you even turn it?
I think so.
Try it.
Let me do this because I need to make sure that this
It's straight, right?
and then I'll do it straight like that. And
Hold
there's
this
a
up.
hole.
You got it?
Okay, I think I
Hit
got our
that other
thumbnail.
one.
What? I don't think it's gonna hit it.
This one.
Oh yeah, but if you go all the way flush, you can adjust that other piece. It's screwing it.
I think it's hitting. Right?
Yeah.
It's hitting that piece.
Oh,
Give it a
fuck
shot.
it is.
Right.
Damn it.
Because I can't screw that in any further.
Oh yeah, there's no way. There's no way, you gotta take it out. Wow, these pieces have 0 tolerance.
What's a good? Well, it's good to have 0 tolerance, but
Well, 0 tolerance means there's
well,
no room for mistakes, and it seems like
here, try.
it's really hard
minute.
to
See if you can get
to build
you can
something
go up a
with
little
0
bit further.
mistakes. Imagine doing with this an Allen wrench, dude. There's no way you can do this with an Allen wrench.
No, it just takes longer. Yeah.
The Allen wrench is not long enough to have the torque to screw this in. That's the problem.
Maybe it is, and that's why we're having an issue.
You wanna use the Allen?
No, there's no way.
I think you have more leverage, right?
Yeah.
You can try it. Try it. Allen wrench.
Oh,
I bet you can't even
crack this,
spin
man,
that.
You
You're
go
screwed.
print
Yeah.
another one.
You're done. You're done for the day.
Yeah, you're done for the day. Can you even spin it?
There's a few
This
Allen
one
wrenches.
is
Try
good.
that one.
I can't even spin it now because it's so. The thread is caught.
Yeah, the third is in the way.
I'm not sure if it's the thread of the metal or the bolt. There's no way.
I mean, can you imagine back in the day, like
Sorry,
in the
Mike.
Egyptian day, like the workers, they're not doing the right job, so the guy who's whipping, like, okay, get out of the way, let me show you how it's done.
Pretty tight tension. I wonder if you're gonna need a lot of these guys.
No, I don't think so because that doesn't break easily. But it probably need maintenance though.
We have to make sure it's flush so that we can screw in the other one.
Can you even like turn it?
It's hard.
I think we don't have the right. I think we're missing like one size. Yeah. Okay. Here it is. This one would.
I don't know.
Yeah, this one would.
Yeah.
You got enough torque?
It's really hard to turn it without seeming like you're gonna break it.
Yeah.
Got it?
Let's do that. Yeah. I got it. I got it turned. I just want to know how that person who made like 1,000, assemble like 1,000 of them, does this part. They must be
you
like,
get
yeah,
better over time.
this is my favorite part, man. This is
Yeah,
my
this is-
favorite part.
This is where
Yeah.
you look at those assembly videos to see any tips and tricks.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. The tip's probably like, hey, you just gotta
Muscle through it.
what's it do? I got a turn. I got a turn. I can.
I don't think we're making much progress.
Yeah. Not one bolt takes an hour.
Yeah, it's really. Oh, it chipped a little bit. That's why.
Chip?
Yeah.
The thread or the bolt? I think it's the bolt, right?
Yeah, it chipped a bit. Could we use a no? Or?
Another screw?
We could, but there's plenty of those screws.
Yeah.
How far down did you go?
This thing's really in the way.
Yeah. Sorry, can't get a lot of pressure there.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, hold on.
You think it's the bolt?
Yeah, I think
I think it's the bolt.
I think it's chipped. That's why.
Try another bolt. Oh, try another bolt. Let me see.
Here.
Try another bolt. Take it out.
Um,
What's funny is when we took this out, right?
Yeah.
We could thread it really easily, but now we can't thread it.
Oh, that. It looks like that as far as we could go. Yeah.
think
Yeah,
so?
but it's not far enough, dude.
No,
Yeah.
if
It's not far
as
enough.
far as we can go, then we got to make it work.
I think that might be been as far as we can go.
Really? Is the
Supposed to-
bolt chipped?
It's supposed to come like this.
Yes, it's supposed to be like that.
Okay, right?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. That part is just holding this piece together.
Let me see this part. think that's as far as you can go, man. Because we're cutting into the 30th minute part.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
Because this is pretty good grip.
Yeah, I guess so. But the thing is, like this bolt right here, when you put it in, right? It's supposed to sit flush like that.
Right.
See? It's supposed to be flush.
Right. Let's try one more time.
It's supposed to be flush at least.
And this is the x-axis.
Yeah, looking at this picture here,
Pretty flimsy.
it's 100% flush. This next
Y-axis.
thing. Yeah, the y-axis. It's 100% flush.
Okay, can you confirm it's like this?
Like how?
Like this, right?
No. It's right next to here.
Okay.
So we can pull this up a little bit. Give you some. Just be careful. Something from the screw.
It says here to
It's supposed to
open
have
up
tension, so.
This is funny right here. It says open it up and portion it appropriately while you're assembling.
Price? Oh yeah. Some printer has a tension adjuster where you screw it in, then you can adjust the tension.
This is not the case.
Yeah, doing it like this is kind of difficult.
Yeah. Watch out for your screw.
Okay, yeah, someone needs to hold this thing, huh?
Yeah. Pull it down.
Oh man, there gotta be a different way. Because we're kind of screwing into this thing.
Yeah, and
Is this how the picture is?
yeah, so this is where we're at. So this is the step, right? So they have you do pinch it. So that's what we did. We pinched it, insert it into here, and then actually here. That was the last one. So you put everything, you pinch it in, which is where we're at.
Tighten it.
And then here you go.
Ooh.
Screw it in.
Man. Wow.
It seems easy.
It's doable, but I figured
So one person needs to hold it and the other person screws it in.
Yeah.
But it's sort of.
Let's try one more time. I think we got that was as tight as we could go.
Can't really see it.
Almost.
See the next step. Are we good?
Up. Okay. All right. Yeah, I think that was as tight as could go, dude. I think we were trying to go tighter in.
Well, we have to make sure that we can clear for the screw going down.
Yeah. I feel it's pretty tight.
It's pretty tight,
Good
but
enough?
it's not because it has to clear that hole.
Which clear what hole?
The hole that's
down-
going
down.
Oh,
It
yeah.
has
Okay.
to make, this has to go through.
Yeah.
Okay. And go a little bit more. Okay, that's clear.
Alright. So then this has to be flush. So that and then alright, screw it down.
Yeah, I think they need to give you an iFixit kit along with this kit.
They'll charge
Did
you
it
more.
clear?
though.
Yeah, it cleared.
They'll definitely charge you more. You gotta have skill if you want to use the Allen wrench, or a lot of patience.
That's why it takes 8 hours for some people.
I think 8 hours is average.
Gotta keep going.
It works.
Still kind of loose.
It's still loose, right? I think once this piece goes in, it might be tighter or stronger.
I think like we kind of learn a bit just looking at how they designed the 3D print and stuff. I think we can learn a bit from it. How to make our holes and so on.
Tight?
I'm hoping I'm not stripping it, but I feel like I can keep going.
No, I think
indefinitely.
you're through.
Okay. Okay. Oh, a nut go through here or something?
Yeah, there's a nut there. So
Okay. It's kind of. What do you think?
they said
You think this?
shoot
Oh,
requires
what?
and that's the one going up.
Yeah, man. I think this needs to be a little tighter, huh?
Yeah. But it's so difficult.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if we can go any tighter.
Okay.
This is pretty.
I think it goes all the way in. Maybe it's made like
Maybe,
that, huh?
yeah, maybe it's a little loose.
So loose. See if I can go over it. He's been playing video games?
Yeah.
Get him over here.
Yeah, I used one of your heals, man. Sorry.
Which game are you playing?
Oh, you
I'm
playing
playing
already?
Remnant.
Oh, you gotta wait
Oh,
for
yeah.
us, dude.
He's playing my account. Did you
Yeah.
create a new character?
No.
So you're playing my own my character.
Get him killed. Get him killed. Hey, man, wait for us, dude.
We gotta download the game, man.
How about I return this and get the assembled kit, and then we go play some video games.
Save yourself all that frustration.
Careful. Well, with the tension belt now.
Uh-huh.
Oh, did you pull it out?
You don't
No.
even have a full automatic weapon, man? Come on. How do I get out of here?
See, these intricate work is when they call my ancestors to come in and do, you know? We've been doing this for thousands of years. Yeah.
It's maybe that's just how it is. Yeah, it's pretty loose.
Graphics is not bad.
Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it. Oh man, I think I'm stripping it. I think that's the best we can do.
Oh, that's better.
That's better?
That's better.
Okay. That's good. Hey, we're disconnecting the internet. Get back there.
I can't get out of this maze, man.
He's playing without us.
Do you have to teleport out for this place? So much stuff.
Does this look straight to you? Looks like it. This one's just a little slightly crooked. But I think that's because how you put that, so it looks a little angled. But other than that,
It doesn't look straight, but I guess as long as it works.
because here it's telling us to. You can change the tension in the belt by adjusting the M30. They said that you can change the tension by adjusting the screw that's going this way, but I don't think you can really make such
Yeah.
an adjust.
I mean, you can, but man, that screw, I don't want to move it. Is there a different side, or is? Oh yeah, it is because it's okay.
Pretty cool. Not bad.
Get back in there and work, man.
We're only in the first like quarter of this. What else we gotta do? How many Allen wrenches do you need, man? Come on.
Testing the wide belt axis. Use the technique described below to test if the belt is properly stretched.
Hey, make sure you put your other drink in the fridge. For a minute. What?
This all the way.
Yeah. What else do we need to do?
So
I'm gonna tell family to join.
Yeah, for sure, dude. Every person you invite is a subscriber.
Get in there and donate.
We know you're not poor.
Uncle, get in there.
I got a friend who
Yeah.
previously lived at the condo. He does a lot of workshop, dude.
All right.
Yeah, and he can build stuff, so he might, contribute somehow.
Okay.
Look, his garage. I sent him the our video. and
Okay.
stuff.
Okay.
Look, he built that.
Oh, that's really good. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. Look at his shop, dude. It's hella nice. Look,
y-axis is done.
that's his
Nice.
shop.
You got space.
Look at that.
Yeah.
And then after, dude, hecka nice. Look at that. He built all that stuff,
Wow.
tables and everything.
He got space, man. He got
Dude, this is a
space.
full garage, dude. Look, this is a full garage, double.
You just push the dust outside, right? That's
Yeah.
pretty awesome.
Well, he has that big dust
All right.
collector right there.
Oh,
X
okay.
assembly.
So. Oh, we're done, right?
What the Y? Now it's X.
Okay.
X is.
Is this supposed to be this tight?
It's this way.
Is this supposed to be this tight? I guess it is. I don't know. We'll find out when you turn it on if it breaks or not. It's pretty strong, huh? Okay. What's the parts?
It looks like this.
Okay. I think you gotta go back to
This one.
What are those parts?
Extended motor.
It's a yellow piece. It's a yellow piece, right?
Yeah, it should say X-axis.
B-axis, Z-axis.
LCD. Fuel holder. E-axis. Yeah, we don't worry about these. LCD, no.
No. Spare.
It should be over there with the X-axis.
Is this
maybe
set? No, there's only one, right? It's that.
not. I guess they're not.
They're not that color, dude. It's whatever color they come in. It's those two. And then the bearings.
Where the bearings at? They should be in a
One of these
X-axis
bag
bearing. Should be 4 bearings.
Four bearings. There are 4 bearings in here, and this is it right here. Dude, these bearings are nasty.
The ones that we
Nasty. Does it overheat?
It doesn't because I'm not recording on the camera.
Oh, that's
Streaming.
why, right?
Yeah, it's streaming, so it's
And this technology is still primitive because it gets so hot.
well, you can water cool the camera. Like
We should do a video of that.
Well, someone already did it.
Yeah,
but
I thought they did.
yeah.
Should we open it up right now?
Yeah, open those up. Scissors are right there. Scissors.
I don't like touching this.
No, open up.
And a lot of oil. And some people actually clean this out and re-oil it.
Yeah, they gave us oil.
Yeah.
So we can clean it.
Don't touch it too much, but all right. 1, 2, 3, 4. See your camera?
Oh, it's the GoPro.
Okay. Needs battery.
Oh, the GoPro
Yeah.
price there.
M2 by 30. Let's go.
How big is that battery on that one? Double?
It's larger, but remember, you know, it's also use more power.
Yeah, that's true. But you're using time lapse, right?
Yeah, I'm using time lapse.
Time lapse is use less power.
Yep. And I think I don't have much battery, huh?
So this one is showing this.
Yeah, you just push it in, right? Like this. Just like this, right? Man, whoever created these parts took a lot of time. Here you go.
Oh, remember to charge the GoPro when you get home, then, because
Yeah.
battery's dead.
You put both in there?
Do you have the charger?
The cable is in here, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I put one already, so I'm gonna put another one. Put 2. Just don't touch it, you know? How you go like this. Put one in. Push in.
You see this? 45-degree angle?
What about it?
With when you first pushed in the first one, remember how they line up?
Oh. What the heck is that? I don't see it. The rivets inside?
Yeah,
The
you're
groove
good.
inside?
Like if it stays like that, you're good. There's one in the center and then 2 on the sides. See? Center?
Until you look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that? Okay. But it has a line like that on this one?
Yeah, they all have one. You want to make sure they Hold it line up. And that one has to stay flush with the top.
Like that?
Stay flush.
Yeah.
So I can't even.
Yeah, you can't without a scissor. Okay.
It does
I
have
just-
quite a bit of oil on it.
Yeah. So I don't touch it. It's
Wash-
pretty good.
wash your
Right here.
hands. Yeah, it looks-
It's not perfect, but it'll do the job. Do the job.
Yeah, why don't you push this in?
Is it a certain direction you have to put it in, or this way is good?
Yeah, from that direction.
This direction?
Yeah. Both of them have to go into that side. Just make sure it lines up.
First one's in. Okay.
Where's this? This one. Where is it at?
This thing is there.
Oh, here I see. I think you're supposed to push down that bottom one a little further so it's closer to the bottom. So push that one down.
Push this one with this one.
No, that one has to stay flush on top,
Oh, really?
and that one has to be close to the bottom. So you have to push it down. So see,
How do I do that?
here it says first pair of bearings should be in line with the top surface of the both X ends. Second pair of bearings should be seated on the
Oh,
rim.
yeah.
So you see this.
How do I do that?
I think it's too.
Gotta-
You have to push it out from the back here so that you can pull out one of them.
Or both of them, right? Or you're one
Just
of them.
one of them, and then you can push in the bottom to the bottom one.
I got it. I got it. It's really hard to push out.
If you push in, you can't push it
Yeah.
out.
So hard to do that.
Because you pushed in, it should be easy to pull out, right? You pushed in.
Let me see.
Let me see. Grab some
Man, it's like perfect fitting though.
That's really hard.
We just got it jammed.
Jam?
Yeah. This filament, they didn't keep it sealed when I first bought it, so I don't know, it's so bad quality.
Yeah, it didn't even look like it's finished.
Yeah. Well, it's a good time to unclog the jam.
That one's going well. Yeah, we're gonna have a problem, dude.
Can't get it out.
There's no way.
Are we hitting a blocker?
The thing is that these bearings, that bottom one's supposed to be at the bottom.
Yeah.
Near the bottom.
Oh, this is over here?
Yeah.
It can't go any further?
Oh, I think we pushed in
Push
the
it
top
in?
one
Yeah.
without getting the bottom one to the bottom first.
That's
Oh, it's supposed to go this way?
Yeah, so see? Here?
It's supposed to be separated. I
supposed
wonder
to
if
be
that
flush.
matters that much.
Top's supposed to be flush with the top, which is fine. And this bottom one's supposed to be closer to the bottom.
This way?
Yeah.
Oh, we were supposed to push this way?
No, this way.
Okay.
So here it says not to push this way, both
Okay.
come down this
I
way.
see.
So unless we can fit something.
So what's wrong? We need to keep going?
Yeah, we need to
Oh,
move
we need
that.
to move this piece over here.
Yeah. And so we're trying to push it out and then.
Wait,
pull
it
out
only
and
goes
push
in one side?
They only want you to go in from one side. So push that one
all the way down?
down to the bottom.
That's really ridiculous. because I need a bigger
Yeah.
piece.
Does this work?
No, it's
It
not
goes
big
through.
enough. Yeah. Need a bigger piece.
So it looks like we could just go in between and push it down, right?
Maybe. I don't know if it's gonna.
Any tips?
Nope. And then they have to line up like this, so you can't rotate it.
Yeah, these parts are
For these,
really hard to.
they have these lines in 45.
do.
I see.
You mess up.
So which pieces?
So this is the top piece, and then this is the bottom.
All the way down, right?
There's
Got
two
it.
pieces, so they're.
Oh, why didn't we push the first piece all the way down and then push another one?
Oh yeah, that was what we were.
That was the
supposed to do,
intention.
Oh, okay.
But we ended up pushing both in first.
I see. Okay.
But yeah, that was the method we were supposed to
Like
be
that?
using.
Or
So
do
you
you
got-
need more?
So it just says here to get it seated on the rim. So you want to get it a little bit farther down. Just put it against this so it's flush, and then try and push it more.
If I can.
Does it reach?
Okay. It slides. It's not so bad. I got it.
You got it slide?
Yeah.
Okay. I think this is the max, dude.
Okay. What about orientation? You said it's supposed to.
This is
So
good.
It's flat like that. Line here, line.
They're both lined up.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
And then we're good.
45. It's flat like this, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Got it?
Cool. You got yours?
Not yet.
There's that.
So much delicate stuff. I think that's not bad.
You see this? Yeah, no, that looks pretty good. And they seem pretty well aligned.
Yep. Max.
This goes like this. And now we got this guy. Put those in.
What is that, magnet?
No, it's that.
Oh, it's a little bolt.
Yeah, push that in a little bit more.
There you go.
Now the M.30 screw.
Got it.
It's supposed to.
All the way through?
Yeah, screw that in. Do not tie in the screw fully. Leave a 2mm gap between the screw head and the plastic part.
How far?
This.
Okay. Fine. Okay, ready? 2 millimeter. Max.
Now it's the this guy. I think it falls.
This
in-
one.
Yeah, that guy.
Right. I need a bolt.
And that one you're using into the M3 nylock nut and
There's a bolt.
so on this opposite end. Here, you need to put this guy.
Okay. I'll do this one. Shoot.
Or just use one of these guys. Something small.
Sometimes you get, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you don't get it at all. It's so hard sometimes. How do you get something smaller than this?
Yeah, so use something like this is, you need something to fit inside, right?
Yeah, this one
They're
here.
pretty big.
This one. I think that one's too big actually. This might be too big. Yes. So that has
So
to fit perfectly on
I just hit a jam right now. Now on a good week, there's no problem. But on a bad day, I can get up to 3 jams. Depends on the project if we need to get it done right away. I got extra printer heads and I just swap them.
Small.
But I'm so quick on fixing the jam that I can do this within like 15 minutes. Just kind of got used to it, but do really hate jams.
You fix that if it jams?
Hmm.
It just takes.
It depends how bad it is. Some is so bad that
You just cut it off, put a new one.
you gotta replace the
whole head.
The hot ends, yeah. But I'll open it up right now and I'll show you how it is jammed.
Music.
Yeah. You got it?
Not really.
It's hard, huh? Give me some space.
I think it's good.
You got it?
Yeah. It's good.
You got it flush?
Still a little bit hot.
As good as we
Just gotta
can.
be careful. I just yanked it out.
Once you turn the screw, then it'll be better. I feel like. These parts are not printed like.
This is gonna be the perfect section.
Just thread it in. I feel like this is like building an RC car. There's a lot of small parts. So it takes a long time.
Whether do you take off
Let's do it.
which one is it? This one?
One of
Yeah,
those.
This one.
Tinkering. What's nice is this side is secure, so you don't even need to secure this side. You know? Okay. Oh, it's not going in.
Yeah, it's all the way through.
It's fine. Part's heavy. Next part. You need these
Bearings.
rods.
Yeah. Where
These are the rods right here. Is this the longest rod, or what does it say? What type of rod?
So take
The
the
longest
remaining smooth rods, compare their length for the excess. You need the longest rod for 70 millimeters.
Funny how they say it.
That's what's left, right?
There's two. There's 2 long and 2 short.
Okay.
So let's see.
Right, so like that.
And then need the bolts.
Yeah, I'll let you put the bearings.
Yeah, you just root that out of the way. Run out of space.
That's all good. I'll cut it for you. You can just put it in.
2 on one and 2 on the other, or 1 on the other.
2 on one and 1 on the other, and then we'll figure out.
Okay, so easy. Here.
Just the other. You put 2 on that one.
Touch it.
You gotta wash your hands all the time.
Okay.
Down on the other one.
Next.
So, this.
Got it? Oh, you put the ends on?
Here, give me the that other one. And then we get. Make sure it's nice and tight.
Insert the rods bearings fully into the printed parts, and then I'll get the next one, which is the X-axis motor pulley. Are these all the same? Seems so good.
Here you go. Here's the this thing's still kind of hot. Here is the where it got jammed. Basically, it couldn't push itself to the Teflon tube right here.
I think it's not.
And I believe this looked like a temperature issue. Basically, the goal of the heatsink is to prevent the heat from melting the filament before it gets to the Teflon tube, right?
Yeah.
You can see a little bit layer of
So that's that
some sort of material to separate the hot ends and the heatsink.
Yeah.
Oh, this
And the
is-
heatsink here is just
I got
to,
one.
get rid of much heat as possible away from
This is Y.
the filament.
Oh, no. It has
Wait.
to say X.
Hold on.
So
This is
yeah,
X.
we're gonna
What does that say?
unclog this and try again. Oh, look how the filament
it's on this side.
is all jammed in here.
This is X. Is it right?
No, that's the wrong piece.
It is. Supposed to be X, right?
That's supposed to be Y.
Oh,
It
really?
says extruder on it.
Yeah, it's the wrong one. Okay, we gotta take this out.
Oh my.
Yeah, bitch. Oh, actually, it's not too bad. Because you take these out and it'll loosen that.
Why not?
Not too bad. It says Y or no?
I didn't see. If it's here, it says
Like this. It's supposed to say Y, X axis.
no. It says it's.
What's this?
It says extruder there, and it says Prusa's research.
What is it supposed to say? Look at the instructions.
Y-axis.
Should?
Yeah, I remember.
Then we got the wrong one. Right there. This thing. What does this say? Y, right? We didn't read carefully. This is
Oh,
what
we read
happens.
it. I mentioned it, but I think we missed it.
Man.
I guess we missed it. I didn't double check it. This might snap, so
It won't. It wasn't tensioned that bad. There you go. Can you get it out? Now I gotta take this out. It says Y, right?
yeah, it's supposed to be Y-axis.
Y axis. This is Y axis. Put this one back. Dang, that was a big mistake.
Yeah, and then you have to take off the thing too.
Yeah, I gotta take out that one. Too
Are
many
we still on?
mistakes. Too many mistakes.
Alright, I'm gonna change the camera mount real quick.
Down. It's not too bad.
Can you hold the camera for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just point in the same direction. This direction. I'll change the mount real quick.
Here's my way. So Ben, what happened?
We did not look at the instructions and read it. We just look at pictures. And that's what happens when you don't read
Yeah,
the
at least we didn't
instructions.
throw away the instruction.
I think it would be more challenging if we threw away the instructions.
It's $150 each.
Yeah. Pretty expensive. You gotta tighten that one. Here. Use this one.
Okay.
Does it have to be a
Let me check
certain way?
if we are
Oh, that's
that piece.
back.
Has to be it. So you see this?
Yeah. I don't even know if I did it for that one.
Be tight on it.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
So this one.
It's final, right? Yeah.
So
So when you tighten it, it actually locks in place.
All right, we are back.
I think this is just one, isn't it?
We're live?
Yes, we are back.
This is too big.
Too
Slightly
big.
smaller.
Gotta label these things.
Actually, this is a good time to change battery as well. We'll be right back.
Is there any viewers?
Two.
Two.
My phone.
Your phone?
I think my phone's over there and it's on it.
You streaming?
I'm not streaming.
Oh.
You put it on, right?
I think I clicked on it on accident. I think. Just go check. See if my phone is.
Okay, we are back.
Yeah, you are.
Go ahead and close it.
All right, we are
Just
back.
minimize it.
Here you go.
Yeah, that's good.
That case is heavy, dude. We don't want to protect that phone, man.
Okay, where was I? I was. Let me move this over closer to the camera.
This thing.
Damn, it dropped a lot.
Show how we assembled this. Okay, let me show you guys the jam real quick. Let me take the camera away.
Can you give me the M13 screws?
Oh, you gotta do those? Okay. You put them down right here. Is this the orientation, right?
Yeah.
See this camera here? We can. I think the only way is to unscrew all these screws right here.
I'll let you screw it in.
Here.
Just enough so we can remove the jam.
Yes. What do you need?
The Allen wrench that we were using.
Right there? There's more right here.
No, but the one that was connected to that one. I think it's this guy.
Yeah. Okay.
I guess you can screw both of them in.
Just put them in.
Screw it out. I wouldn't say too tight so that you can
Adjust it.
just get these screws in. So once you get these two, we would be in. Doesn't.
That's good.
And then you gotta figure
I'm
out-
surprised there's a lot of loose area.
So I can remove this.
Oh, loose area.
Actually, I might have to remove this part instead.
Right? It's a lot of loose area.
Yeah, just so that
Take
in
it out.
case you need a rotator.
Save a
then-
little bit time.
Shift it.
But it's on right now.
Gets a little bit hard to tighten. Oh, what was that?
It's a spring.
Flew all the way over there, dude. Right there. Right there.
Whoa, Ben, you caught that? Dang, freaking cat eyes.
Need more?
How tight?
There you go.
Tell me. Is it flush?
It's flush on this one, but this is not really flush right here, so. Not too tight or what?
So I think we're good.
I think we're good.
Okay. Next. So that's how we put it in. We're good.
Yeah.
Now they have it.
Get the gummy
Your
bears out.
X-axis is finished, so that's what it says.
Then let's get the spring back.
Put that on here, huh?
So you gotta do the two Z-axis, and then you can attach that.
Okay. It's one of those pieces right here.
Or you gotta look at the Z-axis and then
More bolts. These bolts. What is M10s? How many more? 6 of those? There's 3 here. 4.
there may be a little slightly extras. Here's the Z-axis.
This is not a bad jam. This is an easy one.
Here's the
I've seen a lot worse.
Here. That's it. Z-axis.
This is empty, so we'll use this. And that's the Z-axis.
Keep on going. So many parts in this? It's crazy.
And this always takes me a little bit to recognize where they should
Which
go.
one is it? These two?
But if you have another one of these, you can always use it for reference. Do something like this.
So Z-axis, you
Lines
got
up
these two.
Together.
And you got
Right.
M10s?
Z-axis bottom left, bottom right, and 10
Number
6
10.
screws.
It's all those small
Yeah,
ones.
these are all the small ones here, so we're good there.
What does that say? Right, left?
Yeah, so it should say right, left.
Doesn't say that. Oh, here it is. Yeah.
And then
Line
how are we
up.
looking at this? So small side this way, so we're good here. Small side.
Printer printed by a printer.
Yeah, pretty much. I wonder what was the first printer they used to print the pieces for Prusa.
Looks like that.
Probably another high-end one.
Another brand?
Yeah.
No, I think they start out from scratch.
Yeah, they probably did.
Yeah, they have a really good story.
It's like the CNC.
yeah,
The Shippoku was
Yeah.
created from 3D parts.
oh yeah.
So you screw it like this.
Yeah, Prusa has a really good story on how they start off.
See
I
the
really like it.
triangle?
Yeah. Okay. Give me the parts. All screwed in.
3 screws.
You gotta tighten these first into here. And then
This might be our longest video. Beat the our gaming video.
Gaming video was what, 48?
Oh,
something's done.
done. Something is always cooking.
Take a look at it. You can show it to the
Yeah. Let me finish it and we'll show. Okay, this one's done.
So what broke on there?
It got jammed, and I really think it's the temperature settings that we didn't get it right. So
Oh,
we'll try
temperature
again with the recommended temperature. They're all really different from printers to printers, filaments to filaments. Just got to get the setting right. So this is pretty much done. This is really not bad jam at all. When I put this back, it's important to level the bed again, because when I screw this together, it's not guaranteed the Z height will be the same, right? Even a little bit off can mess up your printer. All right.
Can't see anything.
Well, it's hard. You should probably rotate it up so that. This way. Just stick out a little bit.
Can't see anything, man. I'm good.
Yeah. Rotate it. It's fine. Nothing is gonna pinch it.
There's a lot of give, it seems like. Slack this thread. Okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Pretty solid. You got a thread.
Yeah.
Pretty
Give it
quick.
to me.
There's a long thread. So. Do not use excessive strength during tightening.
Yeah, no, you're not supposed to, right? Just enough when you feel it that it's tight, that's good.
Good. Well, I don't think we missed anything. We need the motors now. Is that motor?
It tells you right here. Should say Z-axis motor, 2 of them.
There you go. Pretty cool.
There's a different cable length, they said. The shorter one must be on the left side, so the shorter one's on the left side. And then both
Upright.
Yeah.
From below, and you thread the cable, I guess.
There's a Z-screw cover.
It's already on here, right? This thing? Unless it's
No,
separate.
that's something.
Oh,
down
Z
here.
right here. These two.
Got it?
Okay. It's all 3D printed.
This is blue. Remove the trapezoidal nuts. These guys.
These don't look like trapezoidal nuts.
They don't, but that's what they refer to them here.
This, right?
Yeah, but don't throw them away because you need them.
Remove that one.
And then the covers. These scrubbers said should cover. Screw the Z screw covers onto both lead screws.
This thing?
Yeah. So right here. Screw them on.
Like that?
Yeah. Or no, the other way. See the thread?
Yeah.
So screw them that way.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
So this
No,
is...
no, not that way. This way. And this way.
You sure? You can't.
That's what it says. Look.
This doesn't move, dude.
Look. Orange.
It goes over the top, though.
Is it over the top?
Yeah. It goes over the top like this. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. My bad. My bad. Okay.
Yeah,
Let's screw them all the way down.
I don't even know if you can do that. Okay, here we go. It's threaded. Yeah, this definitely takes more time. Can you imagine? If you do it like this, it's easier. Rotate this.
Oh, but that's the. I'm taking this off right now. Where's the other one?
This is threaded.
The other side, right? You're rotating
The rod. Okay.
do this one.
Gotta say they have saved a lot of money printing all these parts.
I don't know. PLA and whatever material they use to print costs money too, man.
Yeah. But it's a lot cheaper compared to buying these parts prefab. There you go.
Alright, that's done.
No?
I'm going to change the temperature.
This is a short one. That one's harder, huh?
No, it's fine. It just takes a while to get it ready.
I'm gonna flip this at an angle like that.
Okay. Next.
Alright, so So we got that part.
Yep.
Next is this part. Orienting it in the way that we need, which is towards the frame. Long cables on this side. I'm gonna have to screw this.
My hash is dropping to 52. It's really bad. It's really bad.
On which one?
The home ring.
The 3080 one?
Yeah. It's really bad. I think it's 10.
Hold on, so this one's, we'll take a look at it in another later, but this one goes in like this. So just put it in and then we'll rotate it up. We're going to screw in from
Really
there.
bad.
It goes through here.
Like that? And then you got a bolt in there.
Yeah, we'll bolt it. But in the meantime, you got the short one, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you got to the side so we don't touch it. So just hold it. We just need to make sure that we can. So yeah. So now we just.
Right.
What bolts?
Okay, just screw them in.
What are the bolts?
The M310s? Yeah.
All right, let's show what we got. Do you have any more, anything you need to burn?
Yeah, I do.
No, please, I'll leave it on then.
I have at least 3 pieces.
All right, we got another piece just came out of the oven. This is the our Nerf gun barrel. But look at the support pin. It's really bad.
Yeah, there's a lot of support, and maybe for a good cause.
I say try without support next time. But let me clean it up, see how bad it is. Whoa, is this supposed to be broken off? No,
Yeah,
huh?
all that.
This
Let me see. Yeah.
No.
this looks like a solid piece.
Oh, I think that broke.
Broke, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to reprint it.
You gotta reprint it. Shoot.
Oh.
That's why it's like way too thin right there.
Oh, when the model was actually really thin right here.
Yeah. It's very thin.
Oh.
So I don't know. You gotta look at the model again.
Yeah, let me look at the model.
It's not. It's not easy to print that
You
piece.
can
it seems.
probably change the
How tight do you
this
need it
piece
to be?
is supposed to be right
It's
here.
probably flush.
Flush? It's not going flush.
I'll tell you right now.
This piece is supposed to be right here.
It doesn't go flush, but it's supposed to flush. Does it say flush?
I think I was supposed to add some screws on to that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's too thin. I think we need to either
these four
slow it
screws,
down, maybe.
Screws. Are those M10s too? These blue ones.
So, Z motor,
Never
Z
asked.
motor, right attention.
M10s, right?
Yeah, but we can put them in after once we flip it over. But right now, I'm just trying to put these 4 screws in.
Yeah, I think it's okay. But
This part was really thin, huh?
yeah,
Huh.
that's what I worried about.
Okay. I think we can slow it down a bit.
Why is it so thin there? Oh, because you know why? That's where the motors go.
The yeah, the
Two motors.
mhm. Oh, okay, well, just gotta reprint this piece.
Metal 4? I'm gonna use that.
What's the quality?
Of course, it's pretty good, but
Dang. That because it's bridging this gap. It's really hard to get it to start printing again.
yeah, I mean,
I don't know how you do that.
Actually, I think it failed, so it was trying to print in thin air. And it
Yeah.
kept printing. So let me look
You
at the
just
model.
glue it.
I think this part's too bad.
Yeah.
Let me look at the model. I think we can change the settings and make it better.
Okay. That I put a brim on it too. So
Yeah. Brim should help. But actually, I don't think we should print support with this because I think it created. I think isn't the barrel supposed to be super clean in here?
yeah, you can
Oh.
take it out.
Oh, you see.
Take it out. It's fine. Gotta reprint
Yeah. If you take it out, it's pretty clean.
Should be clean.
Yeah, let me look at the model, see why it fell. Otherwise, everywhere else looks good.
These are screwed in.
Well,
These things?
try again.
What bolts are they talking
I
about?
don't know. I'm seeing these here. It shows 4, right? Going in.
No. They're just pointing to it.
Oh,
It doesn't go in. Right? It's
Well,
just
it
pointing
says-
to it.
This shows an 8 now. Okay, I got you.
It's just pointing.
Yeah, gotcha.
Yeah. You just gotta look at where the arrows are doing.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, but they go here.
Yeah.
So we're good.
We're good.
Yeah.
The next thing we gotta do is put these attachments on.
So this goes this way.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, we need these pieces and these. I don't know. What are these? Oh, these are the threads.
Trapezoidal nut. Those are those two.
Yeah.
Okay. M3 by 18s.
18s.
Yeah. They're.
We don't have 18s.
I think they're these ones.
Those are 18s.
Okay. How many?
4.
Yeah, there's exactly 4 here. What else do you need?
You need these helix.
They're here. It's on the bottom. The bottom is this one.
No, it's supposed to
No.
be
The other way.
rotated.
Yeah,
It's supposed to be rotated.
This.
Put these nuts
Here.
here. Use the restroom.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us. We'll end the live stream there. It's over an hour. We'll continue working on this, and you see it, the finished product next time. All right. Thank you for joining us.